Good morning, students. Let us start today's online class. Once more, I am taking grammar, English grammar, and in this topic, again, I am going to take past tense, means past tense of the verb have. Sometimes we use here have in past tense, but already you know in past tense mostly we use here had helping verb, not a have. But how can we represent it have also in a past tense? So I'm taking here one paragraph here given, and in this paragraph I have to show you here the past tense also. How I'm showing, I'm going to give you here just to see. I did not have. What is given here? Have is written. So in such a condition, have, if have is given and did is coming in it. Did is coming in it. So I did not have an umbrella. Means suppose here what is given? Did is given, and we do not need here to write had. We can write here have, because this part of this group of word is representing the sentence in past tense. An umbrella. So I hired a rickshaw. Here this is given here. I hired a rickshaw. You are looking this one. This is already past, simple past. This is given. Unfortunately, also had no hood. Unfortunately means rickshaw had no hood. Here what is? Because we did not use here did. I did not use here did. Only I am using here had. In case while did not comes, did do not come in a sentence, we write here had for representing a past tense. No hood on it, I could not cover myself. Here what is? Can should be there, but what is I'm using? Could. I'm using here could, and this is a past form of the verb. I got, this is also past form, get got. Got is past form of the word. I got drenched. Drenched means to be wet. Here also wet, this is also past form, in the rain when I reached the station. Means reached also past form is given here. I found that the train had already left. Means here I am writing here had. Main thing you have to keep in mind, what is when we use did as a helping verb here, we use here have as here not had. This part of this group of the word is representing as a past tense. Understood, students? Now I am going to take next one also. So you have to read it properly.